Thinking about lenses for my next Hasselblad. I already had a wide angle and a standard lens, so this time I was looking for something with a bit more telephoto reach. The lens that caught my eye the most was the XCD 90mm. But everywhere I looked, it was sold out. Everywhere, even on eBay, the prices were way above list price. $5,000, that's just not an easy amount to part with. I was feeling a bit desperate. Just when I thought there was no hope, a miracle happened. Hasselblad launched something new. Yes, the new XCD 75mm P lens. I dove into the launch details and checked everything out, and I realized this was exactly the lens I had been searching for. The price? $2,229. I didn't hesitate. I hit the buy button. A few days later, I was lucky enough to get one of the first shipments. The lens arrived in just 2 days. I can't tell you how excited I get every time I open a box with that iconic H on it. Inside, there it was, the lens, a lens hood, and a lens cover, all neatly packaged. Taking off the protective film revealed a stunning lens with a luxurious metal body and a cool, sleek feel. It's a flat cylinder, and the focus ring has this beautifully engraved H that shines. Today, I want to share my first impressions of this lens, along with a few pictures. It's surprisingly light, weighing just 398 grams, and it's so comfortable to hold. It's compact too, so you don't get that sense of heaviness or intimidation when using it for portraits. This is perfect for longer shoots. As a portrait lens, its performance is absolutely top-notch. While the focusing speed isn't quite as fast as some other lenses, it's still one of the fastest from Hasselblad. And when it comes to shooting objects, this lens really shows its full potential. The f3.4 aperture might seem modest, but thanks to the medium format sensor, you can still achieve beautiful background blur. On the day I took these photos, I was out shopping, testing the lens capabilities. Even a cute stuffed animal from Jerry Katz became the perfect subject. It's not a large telephoto lens, so it doesn't draw too much attention when you're walking around the city. Combined with the X2D, it allows you to shoot indoors at low ISO and high shutter speeds, thanks to the image stabilization. Even in high contrast situations, the autofocus performs well, rarely straying from its target and keeping the focus sharp on the subject. I even took it for a spin in the park at sunset when the light was dimming. The ISO range was between 400 and 800, yet the camera captured sharp, clear images with almost no noise. It really captured that cold, quiet atmosphere perfectly. I've only had a little time to test it, but already I'm in love with this lens. It's going to be amazing for street photography and nature shots. I'd highly recommend it as a second lens for the X2D. I'll be sharing more of my work in future videos, so stay tuned.